Alright, what's up guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading. Hope you are preparing for a fabulous New Year's Eve, wherever you are in the world. We got about 24 hours to go until the ball drops. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. 2019's in the books. Whatever trading methodologies you guys have employed this year, I hope it has paid off for you. And what you're looking at here on this screen right now is a candlestick chart. You know I hate these, but this is a candlestick chart of the S&P 500. Ticker symbol ES for you futures traders and ticker symbol SPY for you stock traders. And this is a very, very popular index that, a lot of traders trade on a daily basis, even a weekly basis, a swing trading basis. And this, what you can see is I've taken this chart back to May. All right, so we got a good 7 or 8 months worth of trading days in this chart, and I mean you can see, man, like these giant candles, right, where the open and the close of the candle were just huge, which tells you that this particular market had a pretty strong, aggressive intraday range. This tells you that 2019 was, frankly speaking, an awesome year to day trade. I don't care what you traded. The S&P, the NASDAQ, the Dow, gold, oil, soybeans. There was market volatility among all asset classes. And in a few days from now, usually on January 2nd or January 3rd, I always publish my trading game plan for the year. So I want you guys, number one, to keep an eye out for that plan. But how I typically preface my trading game plan is I show you guys and I talk to you guys about the power of the trend. Okay, I've told you guys repeatedly 2019, those of you guys that have been following my channel, those of you guys that have been learning and understanding how to trade price action and really how successful you can be, how anyone can be when you master concepts of price action. What I'm going to show you right now is a different chart. Okay, I'm going to show you the T-bar chart on this instrument, the S&P 500, except I've configured my T-bar speed settings to look like a daily chart. All right, so let's take a look. This right here is the S&P on my T-bar chart daily. You can see it goes back to May. This is an exact match of this chart, this candlestick chart. You can see this also goes back to May. You can check that. You can see that here in the x-axis. Okay, so guys, what jumps out at you, you think, when you look at this chart? I'm going to give you a few seconds. All right, what I hope jumps out at you is if you went and drew every single pivot point on this chart. Okay, there's one, 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 there's one. What I call matching salt and pepper, right? Matching pivot points. If you did that on the S&P, going back pretty much the last 3 or 4 months, can you tell me what jumps out at you? All right, what jumps out at me is there were no short signals whatsoever. Right? When you're looking to go short, you're essentially drawing a trend line like this, and you're waiting for price to smash through like this. Make sense? Now, if you look at the S&P on a daily T-bar chart, if we tried to do that, nothing. Nothing. Again, nothing. Right? That's on the short side. Okay? Now, how about the long side? Let's go ahead and delete these lines, just like that. And remember, guys, when you're drawing a bullish trend line, you want to draw your trend line in this fashion, and you're waiting for price to come up and penetrate the trend line to the upside. So you're looking for price to go like this, right? So if you look at the S&P 500 daily T-bar chart, there was only one trend line like that, right? Middle part of October. You were long and strong since the middle part of October, almost 3 months ago. You get what I'm saying? How many people do you know, and I know that a lot of you guys are guilty of this, how many of you guys tried to short the S&P here, you tried to short it here, you tried to short it here, and you're still trying to short it? Do you get what I'm saying? So part of what I'm going to go over on my trading game plan in a few days is whatever mistakes you guys made in 2019, I hope that you learned from those mistakes. And what I'm going to show you is how not to repeat those same mistakes. Do you get what I'm saying? The idea in trading, okay, finding success in trading comes down to just simply following the big money, following the trend, waiting for a trend to reveal itself, right? The first close above the trend line, place your stop right here and let the market do the heavy lifting for you. For those of you guys that have been longtime subscribers, this is nothing new. At least I hope it's not. You've seen these chart patterns reveal themselves every single day. For those of you guys that are new to trading, okay, and if you're serious about making a living from the market, okay, being a real day trader, being at the computer 5 days a week, maybe even 6 days a week if you factor in Sundays, and looking for low risk, high reward setups every day. I mean, that's your job as a trader, right? So if you're serious about finding success in trading in 2020, then stay tuned. I'm going to publish my trading game plan in the next few days, and I'm going to show you what it's like to actually trade with the trend without using any indicators at all. Not once in 3 years have you guys ever seen an indicator on my chart, right? Never. You never have, and you never will, okay? It's actually somewhat amusing, even for myself, when I look at a chart like this. I mean, this is, like I said, going all the way back to May. This is about 8 months worth of data. It's actually astonishing at how simple and easy trading can actually be when you simply draw trend lines and you simply take a trade in the direction of the overall trend. Guys, that's going to be your winning ticket in 2020. Whatever mistakes you made in 2019, okay, at the market, 2020 is a new year. Fresh, clean start. Come to work every day, good attitude, good mindset, ready to work, and I'm going to show you some trading charts that I think is going to transform your trading literally on day one. All right, guys. Hope all of you have a great New Year's Eve. Go ahead and disconnect from the computer, spend time with your family and friends, and I'll catch you in the new year.